to my channel. So today I have a wig install, so if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. But before we get into the video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post more videos. And let's get into the video.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're riding around the love, riding around the trust, riding around the dick. Riding around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Riding around the world, let me ride around, talk to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I got you to know, but I'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes love exception. So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why,
I eat that lunch, so keep that could see it from the front, he like he sees you in the back, yeah. He like it thick, he like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. He asked me, told you where you at, huh? And I wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, net and some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that numb. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with the say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then again, man, I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for the final look. How do you guys like it? I love this look. I love this hairstyle on me. I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. This hair is so soft. I will do a wig review soon, but I want to wear it for a little bit just to give you guys a more in-depth review. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be safe. Bye.